What's up guys, we're here in Iloilo City where the food is great, the people are wonderful, and the roads are made for driving fast and far. And what better way to do it than with an MG, especially if it's electrified.
MG is electrifying the motoring scene here as it has just opened its second dealership in Mandurriao, the first one being in Haro. Both dealerships are owned and operated by Grand Canyon, so it's no surprise why a lot of the new cars on the road here are MG. And if you're thinking of getting one, seriously consider going electric because they have some amazing full electric models like the MG4 and this absolutely gorgeous Cyberster. What's more, charging it is quickly becoming a non-issue as charging stations are quickly popping up all over the region, including in Caticlan. So yes, it is possible to drive from Iloilo City to Caticlan and back without spending a single centavo on gas because your battery can be topped up along the way. Goodbye range anxiety.
So the MG New Energy Tour kicks off in Iloilo City today and we'll visit other cities nationwide soon.